Hello, today I will show you how to update HP LaserJet Printer Firmware. We are going to update HP LaserJet Pro M225 series. Go to HP website or search on Google and select the newest firmware update on the list. After download, go to Download folder and run the firmware. Select the printer from printer list to update. Send firmware. During the upgrade, make sure to avoid power failure and loss of connection, this will damage the printer. Next video will show you what is happening to the printer during the upgrade process. Update successful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.